Okay, you guys, so Monday, your Delta Math assignment and section number 1 is simply filling in these boxes. So these problems will give you something that looks like this. And you just need to fill in these boxes. So in this bottom left box, you're actually doing the negative 4 times 3x and putting the negative 12x in. That top box, you're looking to the left, it's a 2x, and the bottom 3x, you get 6x squared. And then the top right box would be the positive 4 and the 2x, which is positive 8x. And then that bottom right box, negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. And that is all you are doing for that section. So that is also what you're doing for section 2. So I guess I should say here, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 is just filling in pieces of the box. Section 2 is filling in the whole thing. Section 3 is trinomials and binomials. So let's say you have 8 plus 2x plus 4x squared times negative x plus 8. The first thing that this asks you to do is to tell you how many rows and how many columns. So you can have 3 rows and 2 columns. Or you could do 2 rows and 3 columns. Doesn't really matter. I usually do the smaller one on the side and the longer one across the top. So for this problem, I put 2 rows and 3 columns. So then it provides a box that matches what you put in. 2 rows, 3 columns. So I'm going to put my negative x and my positive 8 here. And I'm going to put my 8 plus 2x plus 4x squared across the top. And then I'm just going to multiply what's in each box. Positive 4, so that's a negative 4x cubed, because x squared times x gives me x cubed. I get 64 here, I get 16x, and I get 32x squared. Okay, so I had to look and see, sorry, I had to pause it and look and see. So now what it wants you to do is write the simplified answer in the box below. So what I'm going to do out here to the side is write this. I'm going to put my cubed first, then my squared, and then my single. And then I'm going to line these up on the second one. So I'm going to put plus 64. I have no number, so I'm going to put it out here. The 16x is going underneath this one. And the 32x squared goes under this one. And then I can just bring them down. Negative 4x cubed plus 30x squared plus 8x plus 64. And that is what they call the simplified answer. The last section is it the last section? Hey, yeah. What is that? Section 4. Oops. Section 4 is multiplying binomials. So it's just going to give you the x plus 9 times 2x minus 4. And you can do the box. So I can make a 2 by 2 box and put my numbers around it. So I get 2x squared minus 4x plus 18x minus 36. And I'm going to write these out to the side, and then I'm going to line up everything. I get 2x squared plus 14x minus 36. And that is my trinomial that I got. Okay? And that's all you do there. So that is your Monday's video. I hope this helps.